Let's talk about the big event from last week, which is interest rates coming down, the Fed cutting by 50 basis points. Do you think it was a bit excessive, given the fact that GDP is expected to grow at 3%, stock markets are at all-time highs? I mean, there's no issue with credit spreads, etc. Indicators are all pretty good, and you get a 50 basis point cut. What do you make of it?
I think it's a lot more ink than it deserves. I think they raised rates to 5 very quickly. They were a little late, which they acknowledged. They raised it to 5. The economy is slowing down, inflation is coming down, and relative to inflation, even if inflation is 3%, the 5 is maybe a little bit too high. So they made a big step to get it close to what they think it might be. They've got plenty of room to go down, and hopefully we'll continue to exhibit growth with inflation coming down. I'm a little more skeptical than other people about that, but it is happening, and they're just reflecting reality.
Yeah. You've been cautious in the past about prospects and said, well, one has to be prepared for things going wrong. Are you a little more positive now? I mean, this is not a cut when you're facing a recession or things are looking weak. It's like a happy cut. So, I mean, are you a little more...
So my caution is all geopolitics, which may determine the state of the economy. Okay. But it's really the geopolitics that these things, they're getting worse, they're not getting better. There's chance for accidents in energy supply. God knows other countries getting involved. You have a lot of war taking place right now. You have American warships being attacked almost every day in the Red Seas. That's my biggest question. The economy fluctuates. I don't worry that much about the fluctuation of the economy. And obviously the Federal Reserve will try to do its job to moderate the vicissitudes of the economy, but we are spending a lot of money. And in my view, that spending the money causes growth. It also causes inflation. And whether it all moderates, I think it's true for countries around the world. We got to really think through how much debt countries can put on before it causes a real problem. So I'm long-term optimist. Short run, I'm a little more skeptical than other people that everything's going to be great. Markets are pricing things like they're going to be great. I'm put me on the cautious side of that one.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC-TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.